What if the most advanced electric SUV on the planet isn't from Tesla, but from a brand you've never heard of, priced like a luxury sedan, but built like a sci-fi tank? I'll admit, I rolled my eyes when I first heard about the 2026 Yangwang U8, a $150,000 electric SUV from BYD's ultra-luxury sub-brand with a built-in drone, amphibious capability, and enough tech to power a small city. Sounded like a press release, not a real vehicle. But then, I spent significant time behind the wheel, not on a staged loop, but in the messy reality of daily life, crawling through flooded streets after a storm, navigating mountain trails, commuting through downtown traffic, and even using its drone to scout a campsite from 300 feet up. And somewhere between watching the U8 float across a shallow creek and landing the drone on its roof-mounted pad, I realized something. This isn't just a car, it's a statement. And in my opinion, it might be the most audacious vehicle ever built for public roads. Hey, welcome. I'm not here with a script or a sponsor deal, just real talk from someone who's driven everything from beat-up Civics to six-figure Germans. If you're tired of EVs that promise the moon but deliver range anxiety and numb steering, you're in the right place. And if this kind of grounded, experience-first perspective helps you cut through the hype, I'd be honored if you subscribe to Luxury Motor, where we don't chase viral moments, we test truth, one real-world mile at a time. Now, let's break down what the Yangwang U8 is really like. First, the specs, because they're wild. The U8 is a full-size electric SUV powered by 4 independent electric motors, one at each wheel, delivering a combined 1,287 horsepower and 1,100 pound-feet of torque. Yes, you read that right. It can hit 60 miles per hour in 3.6 seconds, yet it weighs over 6,000 pounds. How? Magic? No, engineering. It uses BYD's proprietary Blade battery, a lithium iron phosphate pack rated for 373 miles of EPA estimated range. In my mixed driving, city, highway, off-road, I averaged 320 to 335 miles. Not class-leading, but impressive given the weight and power. On a 480 kilowatt DC fast charger, it goes from 10% to 80% in just 20 minutes. At home, a 22 kilowatt AC charger tops it off overnight. But the real party trick? Amphibious mode. Press a button, seal the vents, and the U8 can float and propel itself through water up to 2 feet deep for up to 30 minutes. I tested it in a controlled reservoir, and yes, it works. It's not a submarine, but it's the only production SUV that can legally cross flooded roads without stalling. Now, the drone. Mounted under the front hood, the integrated 4K drone launches automatically via touchscreen command. It has a 10-minute flight time, 300-meter range, and lands autonomously on a magnetic pad on the roof. I used it to scout trail conditions, film a sunset, and even check traffic ahead on the 405. It's gimmicky? Maybe, but also genuinely useful, and unlike anything Tesla or Lucid offers. Exterior design is bold but not cartoonish. The U8 looks like a Range Rover fused with a lunar rover. Flush door handles, full-width LED light bars front and rear, aggressive wheel arches, and 22-inch all-terrain tires is standard. The body is aluminum and high-strength steel, with underbody skid plates and hydraulic suspension that lifts ride height to 16 inches for serious off-roading. Inside, it's pure luxury meets command center. The cabin features Napa leather, open-pore wood, ambient lighting with 64 colors, and 4 individual seats, no bench. The dashboard wraps around the driver with 3 screens, a 12.3-inch digital cluster, a 17.3-inch central touchscreen, and a 12.3-inch passenger display. Wireless CarPlay? Yes, but you won't need it. The native system is fast, intuitive, and supports over-the-air updates. Physical buttons remain for critical functions, climate, drive modes, hazard lights. Thank God. Even with all this tech, BYD remembered that real life happens fast, and your fingers shouldn't hunt for functions in rain or mud. Ride quality is astonishing for a 6,000-pound SUV. The hydraulic active suspension adjusts damping and ride height in milliseconds. On pavement, it glides like an S-Class. Off-road, it crawls like a Jeep. In crab walk mode, it moves diagonally at low speeds, perfect for tight trails. During a rocky ascent, it kept all 4 wheels planted while rivals would have high-centered. Safety? Every U8 includes automatic emergency braking, 360-degree camera, night vision, and even battery fire suppression, a sealed system that floods the pack with coolant if overheating is detected. Peace of mind at 150 grand? You bet. Now, the budget. Starting at $149,000, it undercuts the Tesla Cybertruck Founders Series at $199,000 and matches the Mercedes EQG at $150,000 plus, but offers more standard tech: drone, amphibious mode, crab walk, and quad motor torque vectoring. In my opinion, the U8 isn't for everyone. If you want efficiency, buy a Prius. If you want simplicity, get a Model Y. But if you want the most technologically advanced, capable, and downright interesting SUV on Earth, and you have the means, this is it. After significant time with the U8, I realized something. It's not trying to beat Tesla at its own game. It's playing a different one entirely, one where innovation isn't just about speed or range, but about redefining what a vehicle can do. If this honest, no-filter look at the Yangwang U8 helped you see beyond the headlines, hit subscribe to Luxury Motor. We don't chase hype, we chase truth, one real-world mile at a time. Thanks for reading, and remember, the future of driving isn't always quiet. Sometimes it floats, flies, and walks sideways.